Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come back with full day vlog in which I will be sharing weekend special lunch. In that there will be one new recipe. Rest all recipes are already there on my channel, followed by fun time and then relaxing time at the end of the day. As it was a weekend, everybody will be getting up a little late. Before everybody could get up, I will finish up most of my work. So I just thought of baking a cake before everybody could get up. This cake is very easy. It is already on my channel, that is eggless chocolate cake, in which I will be adding eggs today. That's it. That is the difference. I will leave the link in the description box. Why I chose to make this cake doesn't need lot of effort. In this I just have to, even if you don't have beater, no problem, just mix it with your spatula. You will be done, and I don't have to make any too much of noise with my beater as well. Before everybody could get up, I will finish up this baking cake. Quickly I'll bake the cake and then I will go to my next job. First I'll let you know what's the menu for today. Today I will be making biryani, dalcha. Both recipes are already on my channel. I will leave the link in the description box. I will be making raita, salad. Salad is always a must in any dinner table or lunch table in my house, followed by some kebabs also. Kebab also, some or the other kebab will always be there in my freezer. There are so many kebab recipes also on my channel. Do check out. Also I will be preparing a cake. That is what I am doing right now. After this I will also share, I told I will be sharing a new recipe today in this vlog, that is Afghani chicken. Closely watch the all ingredients. It is very special and very different recipe. In most of my baking recipes you will see I will be using steel baking pans or baking trays, because I have heard that the steel material is much more healthier and good to bake than the aluminium and non-stick ones. So I chose to buy these steel ones. I bought it from Amazon. Now almost I am done with my cake work. You can see I am just dividing the cake batter in equal proportion in all the trays. I will be making 3-layer cake. This is a very super moist and soft cake it is. Sure, give it a try. Next I will be starting with Afghani chicken. The Afghani chicken marinade, I did it previous night itself. This is clip from the previous night. I have taken leg quarters, chicken leg quarters. You can take boneless or even with bone pieces. To that I have just squeezed 1 lemon and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and just 1 cup of yogurt, salt to taste. I am just adding pepper. To that also chili flakes I am adding, green chilies, and also this mint chutney. I had leftover mint chutney, I added that itself. Little bit of chaat powder. If you don't have mint chutney, just grind mint, coriander and green chilies together and just add. I added heavy whipping cream and mustard oil. If you don't have mustard oil, don't worry. You can add any oil whichever you are using. Add enough cream to this. Cream will give extra softness and wonderful taste to this Afghani chicken. I have given a little bit of desi touch, that is adding chaat powder and chili flakes and all. You just try with that. Marinate the chicken for at least 2 to 3 hours, but I marinated it overnight. Then in the morning first I made the cake, followed by this dalcha. It's a South Indian special. Whenever you make biryani, most of the South Indians will know this, because whenever you make biryani they will make this dalcha. In our house everybody like dalcha the more, so I made dalcha today. Same way night when I was marinating chicken, I also marinated this mutton. In mutton I added ginger garlic paste, yogurt, salt. That's it, nothing else. That I have transferred it in the cooker. To that I am also adding chili paste, and you have all this recipe in my channel. You can check, but this is the ingredients I am adding. Today I am just making my free style of cooking the biryani, not the typical way how we will fry and make it. Just The concept of biryani today is some meat gravy which is going to be layered with the rice and cooked with great love and care. It will surely turn up to be a lovely biryani. You will be seeing that. For every 2 to 3 dishes I need this fried onions. So first I fried the onions in the oil, then following I fried even potatoes. I am adding potatoes in this biryani also. Sometimes potatoes are really very nice in biryani, just a difference. Always making only chicken or mutton, instead of that you also add these potatoes and see, you will find something different. That's how I added this. Okay, now in that oil, next we'll go with the Afghani chicken recipe. See, the marinated chicken last night, I have taken it out. All the chicken I will be deep frying it, just lightly, not much, so that it gets some red burns all over the chicken little by little. That's it, that much only I am going to fry, not too much until it is cooked. Like that I cook all the chicken pieces, and now you can see what I will be doing next. I will remove maximum oil which I used for frying. I will use that oil for most of my cooking instantly and throw off remaining. See the leftover masala of the marinated chicken I will add into the same chicken. See, I added the chicken in that oil, little bit of oil I left, and add the marinated masala and add enough liquid and leave it on low flames for 15 to 20 minutes until nice and tender. Meanwhile, I am also cooking rice for biryani. That chicken, I will tell you about chicken. That chicken, if you need it for something like biryani by the side, you have to make it more dry. That is what today I did, drier side. I have come back to the biryani. See, you will be seeing this biryani recipe is very different in my own freestyle. However, I was going to adjust. I did it because running out of time, we have to cook. After lunch, we had plans to go out also, so I am cooking fast. I often use some or the other biryani masalas while making biryani. That gives extra touch. You can also try, or you can omit, that's optional. See, now the chicken, last and final, I am adding kasuri methi. This is giving our desi touch to Afghani chicken. Desi touch I gave by adding Afghani chicken, that is I added kasuri methi and chaat powder. These are the two things I added extra to give our desi touch. Now you can see I am just layering the biryani with that masala water I prepared. This is also important. You can see on my channel you will be seeing the chili pickle for biryani. Like this, one layer of pickle you can give. It will give real different taste and add spice level, and yellow color of that turmeric will be already there. I am just giving little bit of orange food color here and there. That's it. Now our biryani is ready for dum. I am using the fried oil which I used for frying the chicken itself, and also I added little bit of ghee too. Most of the time I bake the biryani. You can cook it on stove top also. Now quickly, when I am done with so many other work, I have come back to my cake. I just took heavy whipping cream and added some chocolate ganache and mixed it. That's it. It's a very simple icing. Mostly I will be making heavy whipping cream frosting only. I don't like buttercream because buttercream takes lot of sugar. In that bottle what I prepared was, I had just taken some coffee decoction and made it liquid with little bit of sugar and water to soak this cake. You can see how nice moist this cake is. Okay, one more tip. Whenever you bake this cake, don't leave it open until you come back for the frosting, because they will become dry. You have to keep it airtight or fold it in the cling foil and keep. It will stay fresh. Now you can see this coffee decoction why I have mixed. I just mixed little bit of sugar and coffee decoction and little more water. That will make the cake really moist. I am not a baker. I did not go for any classes. This is just you have to take right ingredients and make it in your own freestyle. Don't be scared. If you try once or twice or thrice, you will get it. Of course, it will not be perfect. As time goes, you keep trying and trying, you will become perfect. That's how I do. I am not a very perfect baker, or I don't know much about it. But I keep trying various baking recipes also, which I am sharing on my channel. I am just putting a toothpick so that it doesn't move when I keep it in the fridge for a little time for the cake to become firm. It's a good tip, everybody can follow. Now you can see this Afghani chicken, it's dry. If you want it for roti or naan, you can off the flames little earlier when there is gravy left in it. Now our biryani is very well ready. You can see how nice these grains are, long and even nice, fully separate. I did not do it very perfect with the authentic recipe. You would have seen I just went a freestyle of cooking today, and it came out so well as well. Now it is our lunch time. Lunch time is becoming a fun time when all your family members together sit on one table and share all their thoughts and views, and happily having their meal together will bring real happiness and good positivity in your family. Sure, make it a habit. Especially after a busy weekday schedule, you must need a break in the weekend. This kind of dinners and lunch will bring you relaxation too. Now let me share another good habit in our house. Daily we will go for walking in the evening and morning, that is in trails, especially in parks. There are so many parks in and around our residence. There we go to the park. Sometimes relax we will be sitting, but most of the time regularly we go to trail for walking. Every park will have their trails for walking, which will be separately designated for walking only. But today instead of walking we went for relaxing only. You will be seeing at the end. We have come to Murphy Chandler Park. This park is very close by to our community, and here you can see lot of deers roaming here and there, and lot of gooses also, that is ducks in the water, and you can just have fun time and relax time. We can also do fishing in this lake. Hope you all enjoyed my full day vlog. If you are new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.